As we all know that our body consists almost 70% of water, so therefore it is good for us to drink enough amount of water in order to keep our body fit, healthy, and functional. But if some water drink wrongly in a wrong position, in a wrong way, it can cause so many problems in our body, such as arthritis, hair fall, constipation, skin conditions, and so many more. Based on a study, 96% of the people drink water wrongly. Due to this reason, unknowingly, they are getting a problems that are damaging their body instead of getting a benefit from drinking of a water. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you the right way to drink a water as well as mistakes that we shall avoid while drinking a water. Before we begin the video, if it's the first time to watch our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning of this particular video, today I want to be sharing with you mistakes that we shall avoid while drinking of a water, as well as a right way of drinking of a water. Like I said earlier, water is very crucial in our life because you can live for about 7 days without food, but it will be very difficult for you to live for only 2 days without water. So that means water is very important in your body. Also, without the water, you cannot digest food. What I want you to understand is that I am not allowing you to drink a water every day and every time. I'm sure by watching this video completely, you will find a reason that will make you feel that you have been drinking a water wrongly for all the while. By watching this video up to the end, you will find how to drink a water correctly and in which position you shall be drinking water and how much water that you shall be drinking to protect your body from having a digestive issues as well as other problems. Number 1, drinking water when you are thirsty. Frequently, we all have here that drinking 2 to 3 liters of water is good for our health. No, this is a common myth. If you are drinking water when you are not thirsty, this can confuse your brain and it can make the cells of your body to swell. Also, if you are drinking water, if you are not thirsty, this can make water 3 times more difficult to swallow. So that is why you shall be drinking water only if you are thirsty. Also, drinking water if you are not thirsty, this can make water content to appear your digestive system. Also, it can make you to have a medical condition which we call hypernatremia, which means low level of sodium in the blood. Also, drinking water if you are not thirsty, this can provide more workload in your kidney and bladder. So that is why you shall be drinking water only if you are thirsty. Secondly is drinking water during meals. We often tend to drink water during eating meals, especially if we are hungry or if we want to eat a large quantity of food. So drinking water during meals, it can dilute the gastric juice in your stomach. If you want to protect your digestive system from having a problem, you shall avoid drinking water during meals, especially before or in between meals. Drinking water during meals, this can make you to have so many health problems such as indigestion, dyspepsia, and acid reflux. So the best time to drink water it is 60 minutes before taking meals and 30 to 90 minutes after taking meals. Number 3 is do not drink chilled water. After a long day work, most of us head directly to the refrigerator to have a bottle of chilled water. Normally, taking chilled water can be very soothing, but it has so many health problems. Naturally, taking a chilled water, it can make the acid in your stomach to rise, and this can interrupt your digestive process. It can make you have a dyspepsia and the indigestion. So if you want to protect your digestive system, you have to avoid taking a chilled water. You have to take a water which is lukewarm, or I can say at a room temperature. This can increase your blood flow and it can improve your digestion. Number 4, which is second to the last, is drinking water in a standing position. This is common mistakes people do while drinking water. Various studies show that when you drink water in a standing position, the water flows very fast to your digestive system in a straight wedge. The required water nutrient didn't get absorbed into your digestive system. This caused the decomposition of the impurities into your bladder and the kidney. So if you want to protect yourself from having digestive problem, you have to sit down and drink your water. This is the recommended position of drinking water suggested by the so many experts. So you have to do it if you want to protect yourself from having the position of the impurities into your kidney and bladder. The number 5, which is the last, is do not gulp large amount of water. Gulping large amount of water, this can upset your stomach. Our saliva is alkaline in nature and it neutralizes anything in our digestive system. So that means when you gulp large amount of water, so the water cannot have enough time to move with saliva. This can make the water contact about your digestive system and it can make you have indigestion and dyspepsia. So if you want to protect your digestive system, you shall not gulp large amount of water. So you shall be sipping in water little by little, little by little, little by little. This can make the water mix completely with the saliva before move directly into your digestive system. Study shows that when water seeps into your body, the urine excretion is 6 times lower than the usual. So that means drinking the water little by little is good for our body. This is the end of this video. If you find it educative and helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to your family and friends. And don't forget to check our previous videos. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.